What was the name of the code of civil procedure compiled during the Tughlaq period? A. Fiqh-i Shah Jahan. B. Fiqh-i Firoz Shahi. C. Fiqh-i Tughlaq. D. Fiqh-i Akbar. The correct answer is B. Fiqh-i Firoz Shahi. What type of plants were the F1 generation, besides being tall? A. Monohybrids. B. Dihybrids. C. Trihybrids. D. Pure breeding. The correct answer is A. Monohybrids. Which statement about magnets is false? A. Magnets lose properties when used. B. Iron fillings stick in the middle. C. Maximum magnetic strength is at the poles. D. A compass can be used to find direction. The correct answer is B. Iron fillings stick in the middle. How are metals of high reactivity typically extracted from their molten ores? A. Reduction to metal. B. Electrolysis. C. Calcination. D. Roasting. The correct answer is B. Electrolysis. Nutrients are chemical constituents of food that provide energy, help build the body, and provide protection from what? A. Physical impact. B. Diseases. C. Temperature changes. D. Environmental pollutants. The correct answer is B. Diseases. Which field of chemistry is applied in substances that are nanoparticles? A. Organic chemistry. B. Geochemistry. C. Nanochemistry. D. Biochemistry. The correct answer is C. Nanochemistry. When was the Central Industrial Security Force established? A. 15th February 1968. B. 10th March 1969. C. 10th April 1970. D. 1st January 1971. The correct answer is B. 10th March 1969. Which plastic is specifically mentioned for use in helmets and car bumpers? A. Polystyrene, PS. B. Acrylic. C. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. D. Polycarbonate, PC. The correct answer is C. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. What percentage of total cultivators do small farmers cover? A. 36%. B. 14%. C. 78%. D. 26%. The correct answer is B. 14%. What is the minimum power consumption rate for the electric iron mentioned? A. 180 watts. B. 420 watts. C. 10 watts. D. 220 watts. The correct answer is A. 180 watts. Where does molten magma sometimes cool down to form intrusive igneous rocks? A. In ocean trenches. B. On the Earth's surface. C. Within volcanoes. D. Deep inside the Earth's crust. The correct answer is D. Deep inside the Earth's crust. What is the main function of the glossary? A. To present general science facts. B. To provide details for experiments. C. To showcase infographics. D. To facilitate learning scientific terms. The correct answer is D. To facilitate learning scientific terms. The Indigo Revolt is listed with which year range? A. 1855 to 56. B. 1917 to 18. C. 1859 to 60. D. 1873 to 76. The correct answer is C. 1859 to 60. Which of the following is the first step in using a vernier caliper according to the procedure? A. Find the least count. B. Measure the main scale reading. C. Find the zero correction. D. Fix the object firmly. The correct answer is A. Find the least count. Which civilization's dead body preservation process involved a sarcophagus? A. Ancient Egypt. B. Mesopotamian. C. Sumerian. D. Assyrian. The correct answer is B. Mesopotamian. Which type of force is mentioned as holding a galaxy together? A. Gravitational force. B. Magnetic force. C. Chemical force. D. Electrical force. The correct answer is A. Gravitational force. The Kailasnath temple is carved out of A. Rock. B. Cave. C. Hill. D. Mountain. The correct answer is C. Hill. Which phenomenon involves the oxidation of carbohydrates to produce ethyl alcohol? A. Respiration. B. Transpiration. C. Photosynthesis. D. Fermentation. The correct answer is D. Fermentation. What age did the Chartists propose for voting rights for every man? A. Over 21 years of age. B. Over 25 years of age. C. Over 30 years of age. D. Over 18 years of age. The correct answer is A. Over 21 years of age. In an electrical circuit, how do electrons move in relation to electrical potential? A. From higher to lower electrical potential. B. Only in the presence of an insulator. C. From lower to higher electrical potential. D. Without regard to potential. The correct answer is C. From lower to higher electrical potential. What are human rights primarily about, according to the conclusion? A. Equality and fairness for everyone. B. National security and defense. C. Technological advancement and innovation. D. Economic prosperity and trade. The correct answer is A. Equality and fairness for everyone. Who stated that a lower class person, if learned, would be respected by upper class individuals? A. A Vedic sage. B. A Jaina scholar. C. A Vyar. D. A Buddhist monk. The correct answer is C. A Vyar. Which group of elements is also known as the chalcogen family? A. Halogens. B. Oxygen family. C. Nitrogen family. D. Carbon family. The correct answer is B. Oxygen family. What is Iswar Chandra Vidyasagar associated with in the provided matching options? A. Journal. B. Nirankari. C. Songs of Grace. D. Adi Brahmo Samaj. The correct answer is A. Journal. What unit is typically used for the mass of 1 mole of a substance? A. Kilograms. B. Amu. C. Liters. D. Grams. The correct answer is D. Grams. What process related to water is explained in this lesson? A. Water purification. B. Water desalination. C. Water harvesting. D. Recycling of water. The correct answer is D. Recycling of water. What is the outcome when light is blocked by an opaque object? A. Refraction. B. Reflection. C. Shadow formation. D. Luminescence. The correct answer is C. Shadow formation. Which state is not listed as having a legislative council among the options provided? A. Maharashtra. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Karnataka. The correct answer is C. Tamil Nadu. What type of wave is demonstrated by moving a coil or spring forward and backward? A. Standing wave. B. Longitudinal wave. C. Transverse wave. D. Electromagnetic wave. The correct answer is B. Longitudinal wave. Which city was known to Chinese and Roman merchants as a flourishing trade center? A. Tondaimandalam. B. Kanchipuram. C. Vatapi. D. Badami. The correct answer is B. Kanchipuram. How did you score?